How you doing, YouTube? I'm trying to do a video this time of how to install AC lip, universal spoiler lip for 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This is the 2015 Hyundai Sonata, and I'm trying to put a lip at the front of the bumper, which is this lip right here. I started doing it, but then I just decided to stop and make a video so you guys can have a chance to look at it, see how it gets installed. Okay, here we go. Of course, this is the lip. It comes just like this, wrapped in there. I already started here, so obviously you gotta start right in the corner right there, and then it's pretty simple. All you have to do, obviously before, you gotta get it clean with alcohol. I clean it already with alcohol, so I get a nice surface and clean, so it sticks better. So now here you go. All you have to really do is, and you got to be careful with this because this sticks really good and super fast. So there you go. This is how it goes. And I'm trying to make it right. Here's a little tricky because it changed, so it goes up a little bit. And let's see how it sticks in plastic. Whole thing is plastic anyway, so especially in this area here, you have to give them a good, kind of stick it really. It seems to be stick better than this side and this plastic. I mean, obviously everything is plastic, but for some reason it sticks better in there. Okay, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep it good. See here, it's like a little. So you have to kind of stick it really good. You go back a little bit. There you go. Like that. Try that. This is pretty simple stuff. We just have to do a sticker. It's had a 3M tape, so it sticks really good. But for some reason, in here is a little different. This black piece. Back a little bit. Okay. There you go. Here we come. Yeah, we're going there. Try to keep it at the edge so it looks clean. Looks better, I guess. So that's what the instructions say. Instructions say you have to keep it at the edge. It's a little dirty, but it's dirty. So we come into this is of course a little bit bigger because this is